Hi, welcome to this podcast, Famous Book Lessons and Summaries. And today we'll be looking at a brief summary of the book, Attitude is Your Superpower by Eduardo Clemente, as well as some useful lessons. Attitude is everything, but what exactly is attitude? Is it how we perceive ourselves or how others perceive us? Is our attitude same as our personality? How can we have the best attitude to succeed in life? Attitude is Your Superpower answers all these questions comprehensively. This book not only tells us what makes an attitude, but also how to improve it, how to use it as a superpower to succeed in life, especially in one's career. This book contains many examples and instances from author's own life and career to explain the concepts. The writing style is very engaging and motivating. It feels like having a personal talk with a mentor or watching a TED talk. This book contains many practical lessons which can be easily applied in life. The book is well structured and explains many components that make up attitude, like positivity, emotional intelligence, and more. Here are some useful lessons that you might find helpful. 1. Attitude is the best perception others have of you, and it is extremely important because you must work with others. It is an external characteristic and it is all about how you are perceived by others. 2. Working with others is just about as important as working alone. You can't do everything alone, and you won't improve if you miss out on opportunities for feedback and to take on interesting projects. 3. Being liked is about making everyone else happy. When you want to be liked, you care more about others' happiness than your own. You say yes to everything that is asked of you. 4. The way to get ahead is to be engaged in solving problems. If a colleague tells you they want to do something you disagree with, try to understand their problem and offer your help in finding a solution. That way, they will see you as someone they can share things with at work. What you find in this book? You will learn that attitude is about how others perceive you and how you perceive yourself, how it's separate from your personality, and how to completely change and improve your life and career by understanding and managing better your confidence, positivity, growth mindset, emotional intelligence, adaptability, resilience, and problem-solving mindset. The book also includes a set of tips on how to best leverage skills like managing expectations and your drive for excellence to achieve strong success in your career. It's up to you to think positive about yourself, to work on your self-improvement and motivation so to potentiate your success and happiness in life. This series of podcasts was born to provide you with life lessons, business lessons, and summaries of your favorite bestsellers. Subscribe today, and if there is any book you need a summary on, do let us know. Also, share your thoughts with me and I'll be glad to respond to you. I'm Onuzrike Chukwu Agozie. See you on the next one.